Palakpakan po natin, Evelyn Suba. Magpe-perform daw siya. Ano gagawin mo? Ano gagawin mo? Tutula at kakanta. O sige, tula ka muna. Ito, pampabuhay dugo. Pampabuhay ang dugo.
Magandang hapon, aking mga kapatid, aking mga kaibigan at bashi. Ako'y tutula, mahabang para sa inyong mga batchmate ko at mga bisita na aking mga tagahanga. Kaya ito ang aking sasabihin sa inyo. Ako'y pakinggan dahil English ang kataga ng sasabihin ko. Many years ago, in 1972, we all graduated from high school at CEU. Looking back at all those years, put a smile on my face, as I am sure all of you feels the same as I do. Each year we gather together in remembering the times when we all cared about, when we used to escape from our parents, from the rigid world of our parents, school and chores. We acted poorly while we are enjoying the freedom of our lush fun field days. Then, on that solemn day, we were overwhelmed with joy, even though we still haven't figured out the future hold for us. Now, I want to ask all of you, in 53 years after, have you figured out what to do with your life? What have you done? For me, many things cross in my heart. My part that I'm happy to report to you, that the time with you all, the bright is a bright way of sunshine. Whenever I think of my life, every one of you. Now, I want to say gratitude to our teacher, Ms. Pinera, and to all that visited the classmates. Thank you, Ms. Pinera, for giving me a brain. For giving me a brain from your brain. Because without you and all the other teachers that have come to us and entertained our brain, I wouldn't be here, neither any one of you people, right? Right on. Now, thank you for lending me your ears, but this is not the end. I had to sing, too bad. Alright?
Anong amantayin mo?
Ano, ang paso'y sumabit ko.
Ang paso ay sumabit. Baka sumabit ka.
Hindi. Ang bala sa'yo.
Ang paso ay sumabit ka.
Ang bala sa'yo, bossing. Hindi kayo, ha? Ang tato. Paso'y sumabit, tayo ay magsiyawin. Kahit sa oras sa pag-ibig, sinisisi
Ang galing-galing naman, wala akong masabi.